Hello and hi again to Dr. English YouTube channel. This is Dr. Mafi, and today's lesson is about contronyms. What are contronyms? Please, at the beginning, notice the different spellings for the contronyms, right? A or versus O. Both of them are correct. What are we talking about? Contronyms are words, a single word, with two opposite meanings, right? Two opposite meanings. It's sort of like antonyms, but in one word. Like, you're already familiar with the idea or the concept of antonyms, right? Antonyms and synonyms. Antonyms are two words which are opposite in meaning, right? They contradict each other, like cold, hot, cool, warm, sad, happy, okay? But these are, in fact, both of these opposite meanings, if they're boiled down into one word, we call it a contronym, right? Or antonym, or autoantonym, or Janus words. Why Janus? In Roman mythology, ancient gods with two faces were called Janus, all right? Well, two faces, meaning two opposite sides, basically. So that is the philosophy behind choosing this word for contronyms. Anyway, so we are talking about one single word with two opposite meanings, all right? Good. I provide you a list, which is kind of easy to remember and fathom. Let's go through just a couple of them. Like sanction, for example, as a verb. If you sanction, for example, an action, all right, it means that you either endorse it, allow it to happen, or you penalize it, meaning you don't allow it to happen. If somebody does it, you give penalty, right, for the doer of that action. Or dust. Either you remove the dust or you add the dust to the area. You seed. For example, either you plant a seed somewhere or you remove the seed, for example, from some fruits, right? Skin, you remove the skin or you cover it with the skin, right? The same is true with the list I provided under adjectives or nouns. Adjectives, for example, like sanitary, okay? Sanitary, you know that, what we mean by sanitary, meaning healthy, like related to health, okay, or hygiene. But on the other hand, the same word can refer to something which is not sanitary, like, waste, sewage, right? Like sanitary workers, for example, who are collecting garbage from door to door on the streets. And for the nouns, for example, custom, either it is tradition or especially made or tailored, for example, product or exception. So you see the difference in the meaning of the two meanings, which in fact are in kind of opposition to each other, one way or another. Or last but not least, let me tell you this: with. We can consider it as a kind of preposition, right? Sometimes it is, or it means alongside, together with, right? Or sometimes it's the opposite; it's against it. It can't be both, but it is actually, right? It's pretty much contradictory, but it is true. It's like a paradox, basically, right? So like fight with me, meaning fight along with me, like with me, basically, you're not fighting me, or fight with me, like fight against me. So it has both sides into it, right? The same thing is true with left, which is the past tense or past participle tense of leave. I can also talk about it under the verb, like you leave a message, meaning the message remains with me. You give me the message or send the message to me, or you depart, you leave that, meaning you get out of, for example, the house, you leave the house, right? So you see there are kinds of two meanings. We are dealing with two meanings in a stark opposition to each other, right? Thank you very much for watching again, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any questions and comments, you know what to do.